If you need a place to put your boat, we highly recommend Jensen Beach Mooring Field.
Let's tell you all the fun stuff about it. Hey, it's Jensen Beach Mooring Field.
Yeah, and we are standing on the bow of the boat. It's almost sunset. It looks very pretty up here. And
we'll try to give you a couple little points where we're going to. All right, so dinghy dock straight ahead.
Yeah, we've been there a couple times already. We've walked the whole town.
Bathhouse.
If you move over. Okay. Yeah, we walk all the way down where you see those buildings, and all the way down.
Past the sun.
Past the sun, past the other marina down there.
And straight up the road, 2 blocks?
Yeah, about that.
Post office and grocery store, liquor stores, and many little bars.
And Taco Tiki Bar where we went.
Oh, apps are great.
That was good. Let's not forget, there's times for great socializing with other boaters. Downtown Jensen Beach is awesome. Great stores, great shops, and really good restaurants.
Every time you turn the camera on, they vanish. One. There's one way out. Oh, come on, you guys have been here the whole time. There's one came out nice. 2, 3, 4. And you can hear them breathe. 5. Wow, so as you can tell, we've fallen in love with the Jensen Beach mooring field.
We had a great time in Jensen Beach. We were there for quite a while before we crossed over, and the facilities are fantastic. The town is wonderful, and they have great restaurants, everything. And Mike, the dockmaster, is great. He'll do anything he can to help us.
Almost anything, but no, he'll do anything, and he's a 10 out of a 10. The facilities, as Diane said, was great, and you know what? Book online. It's great, easy to book online.
Tell him Booger sent you.
All right, make sure of that. Booger.
Please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.